Hi there, this is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about news and nutrition, the fast mimicking diet part 1, starting with yeast. Now, this is really the story of Dr. Longo and his research on what accelerates longevity. So if you want to read the book, The Longevity Diet, you'll get a lot more information. But here's one of his key summaries. He noticed that people and creatures live longer. Starting with yeast, you can look at yeast, they've got 6,000 genes and you can extract them. He found that if you took away all their calories away, they lived longer. And if you added food back, one thing killed them off faster than anything else, and that was sugar. Well, bit by bit, as he took away genes and added genes back, he could find that there's two pathways. One pathway turns out to be present in both sugar and in mice and worms and in humans, mammals. And it's as the second pathway as well. The first one is the RAS, R-A-S pathway. And with sugar and the RAS pathway, you basically, when you activate it by taking away sugar and depriving animals of sugar, you turn on autophagy, or eating old dead stuff. The TOR pathway is basically a pathway that's also present all the way from yeast up to humans. And the TOR pathway is activated by protein. It's actually evaluating how much protein. And the less protein, the more you turn on what might be called hunker down mode. Well, it turns out cells, healthy cells, can hunker down, but poor cells can't. Well, Dr. Longo then accelerated this research. He went to look at folks who had genetic mutations. He found the Lorone people in Ecuador who naturally had a defect in their growth hormone and didn't activate the mTOR, and ended up being 3 feet tall. But they could live to be 90 years old, smoking and eating all sorts of fatty food and never getting sick. That started to confirm his belief that he was on the right path. And this was the beginning of his research. This is such an interesting story. We're going to talk about it for a couple more weeks. But what's going to work for me? Boy, this confirms that you have to think about how much sugar you're eating. There's nothing but sugar that makes yeast die faster. And animal protein turns on fast aging. And aging is accelerated and is the accelerating cause of all diseases. So, next week, meanwhile, this is Dr. John Whitcomb finishing Fast Mimicking Diet number 1. And if you can guess where I am, you get brownie points. I'm actually visiting where I grew up, and this is India, the Qutub Minar in Delhi. Talk to you later.